Guess which side the train's gonna come?
Shh.
Uh-oh, what side is the train gonna come? Tell me. I'm gonna come on this side so you guys can get a good view. Okay? Oh, there goes the conductor in the front. Do you see the man? Yeah, I saw the man. You see the man?
Yep.
Keep looking. I saw him, yeah. So that's where...
And then on the train right now, it said this stop. It's Brandies, Roberts.
Brandies?
Yep.
So some of the
Come on, Trey, what are you waiting for?
Hello, they had to make a stop. They're boarding. Can't you see that passengers and can't you see that people coming from Boston have to get to other places too? Especially those that work in Boston. Wow. This one has a bell that I love.
Yeah.
It goes like ding, ding.
Oh look, two floors.
Yeah, it's a double decker.
Oh, I like the double decker. I went on one time on the double decker.
Actually,
I went twice on the single decker.
I used to ride it a lot, but only like one time on the double decker. I was real curious. I said,
one of those cars had the bathroom.
What the heck is that car doing?
What is that train doing?
Hello, it had to stop.
Why did it move back?
It's because I had to pick up more passengers because they forgot somebody. Or they forgot that some people are getting off. And there goes some steam from... Hold on, put it quiet so they can hear it.
Let's hear the train horn.
This is one of those MBTA, like, bullet train style trains, because you could tell because it's shaped like a bullet train, the engine.